Ro-Ro ferries, I will introduce it because there is a huge cost and we have to repay monthly charges for that and we have to generate it. So ferries extra metal. Every year we are getting 2 new ferries with new technology, double engine. हातून भितर घेता आमी कळ्ळें एवरी इयर वी गेट पण आमी एक ल्हानसो प्रयत्न केल्लो आमच्यो ज्यो फायली वतात फायनान्साक दे से दॅट आवर expenditure is around 76 crores. Our income for full season is 52 lakhs. Not even 1% we are generating income. आणि जेन्ना हांवें 5 रुपया दिसाक 5 रुपया स्कुटरीचेर लावपाचो नोटिफिकेशन काडलें दिसाक 5 रुपया येवपाक वचपाक 5 फावटी वच 5 फावटी यो तरी आसतना 5 रुपयाचो पास काडपाचो देर वॉज अ ह्यूज protest against it. Then the Honorable Chief Minister had to withdraw it. If we are not generating income and if people feel that we should not charge them, then they'll have to suffer from waiting urtale, savay urtale. With a small amount of 5 rupees, if you get a better services, पण जाता कितें गोवा ल्हान आसा आंदोलन केल्या नंतर एक लीडर मुखार येता and he becomes a contender for the assembly. आणि सगळे लोक हाजे खातीर जातात. So even I am telling today, आमी जर नवे income resources केले जर जाय जाल्यार we will have the best of the services because as of today whatever proposal that we put up before the finance department they calculate and they say that you are not earning to the extent of 1% that we spend on ferries.